How to block apps on Google Play Store. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to block certain apps from downloading on Google Play Store. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you are a parent and you want your kid to not download any unnecessary app on their phone or on your phone, then this is how you do it. First thing you need to do is open Google Play Store and tap on your profile section. Head over to the settings menu. Now, once you open up your settings, you'll have different options here like general, network preferences, purchase verification, and family. You just want to head over to family and turn on the parental controls. Tap on parental controls and make sure that this toggle is turned on. Now you'll just have to create a certain pin. Tap on OK and retype your pin like this. And once your parental controls are turned on like this, you can allow apps or games according to the age preference. So the most restrictive one is rated for 3 plus. And from here, you can just select your range. So if your kid is less than 12 years old, you can just tap in rated for 7 plus and then tap on save. So they won't be able to download these kind of games that are not made for 7 years or older. And that's how you block apps on Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys next time.